Welcome to our roundup of the best car interior cleaners. Essential cleaning products and tools designed to keep your vehicle's cabin spotless, fresh, and well-maintained. Whether you're removing dust from dashboards, cleaning upholstery, reaching tight vents, restoring faded trim, or tackling everyday messes, the right interior cleaning solution can make a huge difference in preserving your vehicle's appearance. Modern car interior cleaning products include cleaning gels, detailing tools, trim restoration kits, handheld vacuums, and specialized cleaning wipes designed to target different surfaces throughout your vehicle. Many options also feature reusable materials, easy application methods, portable designs, and surface-safe formulas that help simplify regular maintenance. Choosing the right car interior cleaner can improve cleanliness, protect interior surfaces, and help maintain a more comfortable driving environment. Let's take a closer look at some of the best car interior cleaners available right now. Starting with the Bleston handheld cordless vacuum. This model is a great option for users looking for portable cleaning power, convenient cordless operation, and effective debris removal throughout their vehicle interior. It typically features a lightweight handheld design that makes it easy to clean seats, floor mats, cup holders, storage compartments, and other hard-to-reach areas. Many versions include multiple cleaning attachments, such as crevice tools and brush nozzles, that help improve versatility across different cleaning tasks. The rechargeable battery system allows users to clean without dealing with power cords or external outlets. Its compact size also makes it easy to store inside a vehicle for quick cleanups whenever needed. Additionally, it delivers reliable suction performance and dependable cleaning results during routine use. It also improves convenience, enhances portability, and supports efficient interior maintenance. Next up is the Armor All-Car Cleaning Wipes, a versatile and dependable option designed for quick surface cleaning, easy maintenance, and convenient everyday interior care. These wipes typically feature pre-moistened cleaning solutions formulated to remove dust, dirt, fingerprints, and light grime from dashboards, consoles, door panels, and other interior surfaces. Many versions come in resealable containers that help keep the wipes fresh and ready for use whenever needed. The simple wipe and clean application process makes them ideal for fast touch-ups between deeper cleaning sessions. Their compact packaging also allows for convenient storage inside the vehicle. Additionally, they provide consistent cleaning performance and reliable surface maintenance during regular use. They also improve convenience, enhance cleanliness, and support quick interior detailing tasks. Moving on to the Astro AI windshield cleaner tool. This model is known for its practical design, extended reach capability, and ability to clean interior glass surfaces more effectively. It typically features a long ergonomic handle combined with a pivoting cleaning head that helps users reach difficult windshield corners and tight glass areas without excessive stretching. Many versions include reusable microfiber pads that assist in removing dust, haze, fingerprints, and residue from interior windows. The lightweight design improves maneuverability while helping users achieve more thorough cleaning coverage. Its reusable components also help reduce ongoing maintenance costs over time. Additionally, it delivers dependable cleaning performance and consistent visibility improvement during use. It also improves accessibility, enhances glass clarity, and supports safer driving conditions. Stepping up in performance, the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit offers a strong balance of restoration capability, long-lasting protection, and professional-grade trim enhancement for aging vehicle interiors and exterior trim surfaces. This kit typically features a ceramic-based coating formula designed to restore faded plastic, vinyl, and trim components while providing durable protection against future wear. Many versions include easy-to-use applicators that help ensure even coverage across treated surfaces. The advanced coating technology helps improve appearance while creating a protective barrier against UV exposure and environmental factors. Its long-lasting formulation reduces the need for frequent reapplication compared to traditional trim dressings. Additionally, it delivers effective restoration performance and dependable surface protection over extended periods. It also improves appearance, enhances durability, and supports long-term trim maintenance. Taking the top spot is the Puladiki Car Cleaning Gel, a highly versatile and popular option designed for maximum cleaning convenience, flexible application, and effective dust removal in hard-to-reach areas throughout the vehicle interior. This model typically features a soft gel material that can easily conform to irregular shapes and narrow spaces, allowing users to clean air vents, dashboard seams, cup holders, gear selectors, buttons, and other difficult areas. Many versions are reusable multiple times when properly maintained, providing added value and convenience. The gel works by lifting dust, crumbs, and small particles from surfaces without requiring complex tools or equipment. Its compact design makes storage simple and allows for quick cleaning whenever needed. The easy application process makes it suitable for both regular maintenance and detailed interior cleaning sessions. Additionally, it delivers reliable cleaning performance and consistent results across various interior surfaces. It also stands out for its versatility, ease of use, and overall value for keeping vehicle interiors clean and well-maintained. All of these car interior cleaners serve different needs depending on cleaning tasks, surface types, and maintenance preferences. The Bleston Vacuum offers portable debris removal and cordless convenience. The Armor All wipes provide quick and easy surface cleaning. The Astro AI tool delivers efficient windshield and glass cleaning performance. The Cerakote kit offers advanced trim restoration and long-lasting protection. And the Puladiki cleaning gel stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best car interior cleaners. From portable cleaning tools to specialized detailing products designed to keep your vehicle looking its best. Whether you're removing dust, restoring trim, cleaning glass, or maintaining a spotless cabin, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which interior cleaner you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive detailing reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and keep your vehicle's interior clean, fresh, and comfortable with the right cleaning products and tools.